The Phantom Express. One dark and misty night, Percy was getting ready to collect the mail. He was excited.
I'm making my first ever delivery to Ulfstead Castle.
That sounds scary to me.
But James decided to have some fun with Percy.
The Phantom Express might get you.
The Phantom Express? Who's that?
He's a ghost engine. He puffs around the castle, rattling the rails and blowing his ghostly whistle.
Don't listen to him, Percy. He's just teasing you. There's no such thing as ghosts.
Yes, there is. You'll see, Percy.
Percy was nervous about what James had said, but he chuffed away to collect the mail.